सो वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। इस क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया है फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 1x1 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 2 5 into 1 2 3 is equal to 0 है तो x is equal to how much? And the second bit is a is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3 a square minus 2xa plus 5i2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to what? ठीक है, so let us do this one by one. So first let us multiply these two. This is a 1 by 3 matrix, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, this is a 3 by 1 matrix. So on final multiplication, I'll get a single element, 1 by 1 matrix. So first let us do it step by step. First ये दोनों को multiply करता हूँ. Yeah, it's such a because you have a variable in this. Instead of multiplying these two, first multiply these two. ठीक है? So first bit 1x1 into. So if you multiply these two, you get a column matrix, 3 by 1 matrix. The elements are first row into first column. 1 plus 4 plus 9. Get 14. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 plus 10 plus 18. 4 plus 10, 14 plus 18. 24, 30, 32. So you get 32 here. And the third one, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 15, that is 22. So the multiplication of these two is this. So now let me multiply this and this. So you get 14 plus 32x plus 20. So this has to be equal to 0. That is null matrix. So this implies 32x plus 22, 36 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 36 by 32. 4 table में cancel किया तो minus 9 by 8. So if this has to be equal to 0, x has to be equal to minus 9 by 8. So we have to match this with s. So इसका answer है s. So next let us look at this question. इस question में a is given to you and you have an equation, matrix equation. So you have to find x. So first let us find a square. 1 minus 1 2 3 into 1 minus 1 2 3. That is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 2 plus 6 8 minus 2 plus 9 is 7. So you have a square plus 5i2 पहला कर लेता हूँ. So इसको plus 5005 किया तो that is equal to 4 minus 4 8 and 12. So this is my a square plus 5i2. So this has to be equal to 2x times a. That is equal to a को 2x से multiply कर लीजिए, you get 2x minus 2x 4x 12x 4x and 6x. So equate these two. So x is equal to how much? 2. So corresponding elements equate किया तो you're getting x is equal to 2. So P is the right answer for the second bit. So third आपको bit दिया है. A is 2 mu square 3 and B is gamma 749 delta. And A minus B is an upper triangular matrix. And the possible values of mu are how much? ठीक है. So let us do A minus B. So A minus B is equal to 2 minus gamma mu minus 7 mu square minus 49 and 3 minus delta. So this is my A minus B. So now what is given? A minus B should be an upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix का meaning क्या है? All the non-zero elements should be present only in the upper triangle. So the lower triangle should have all zeros. So if this has to be an upper triangular matrix, mu square minus 49 should be equal to 0. This implies mu is equal to plus or minus 7. So how many values of mu are possible? The question asked is number of possible values of mu. So there can be 2 possible values for mu. So the answer is 2. So third bit का भी answer E. Now let us take the fourth bit. So इसमें दिया है determinant of b plus c whole square a square b square c plus a whole square b square c square a plus b whole square is equal to k times a b c into a plus b plus c whole cube. ऐसा है तो k का वैल्यू कितना है? सो हम इसके लिए दो मेथड्स करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज इजी मेथड, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से हम आंसर लेके आ सकते हैं. सो टू गेट द आंसर व्हाट आई डू इज लेट ए बी सी तीनों को 1 1 1 पुट कर लेता हूं. सो ऑप्शन डी को डायरेक्टली आंसर निकालना है तो यू कैन जस्ट पुट ए बी सी एज 1 1 1. सो डेल्टा क्या हो जाएगा? 2 स्क्वायर 4 1 1 1 4 1 1 1 4. So is equal to, इसका डेल्टा निकाल देता हूं. 4 into 16 minus 1 is 15 minus 1 into 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 1 into 1 minus 4 is minus 3. That is equal to 60 minus 3 minus 3. That is equal to 54 is the answer. इसका मतलब है अगर A, B, C तीनों 1s है तो आपको आंसर 54 आना चाहिए. So आंसर में भी पुट कर लीजिए. So for A, B, C is equal to 1. The delta is k times a into b into c is 1, a plus b plus c is 3, 3 cube is 27. So 27k has to be equal to 54. So k has to be equal to 2. So आपके एग्जाम में दिया तो you can directly get the answer for these type of questions by substitution method. So option P is the right answer for the fourth bit. अगर आपको डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करना है तो उसको प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट्स यूज करके सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट आई डू इज फर्स्ट C2 becomes C2 minus C1, C2 becomes C2 minus C1, C3 becomes C3 minus C. Do this transformation. So C1 remains intact, C1 अभी भी b plus c whole square, b square, c square वैसे रहेगा. सेकेंड कॉलम क्या हो जाएगा? a square minus of b plus c whole square, c plus a whole square minus b square, and c square minus c square is 0. And what happens to the third column? Third column में again a square minus of b plus c whole square, b square minus b square is 0 here, and here you get a plus b whole square minus c square. So आप a square minus of b plus c whole square को a plus b plus c into a minus of b plus c, आप a square minus b square को a plus b into a minus b स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं. c plus a whole square minus b square is c plus a plus b into c plus a minus b. So आपको a plus b plus c यहां से कॉमन आ जाएगा. सिमिलरली a plus b plus c यहां से कॉमन आ जाएगा. a plus b plus c whole square कॉमन आ जाएगा इस कॉलम से एक बार, इस कॉलम से एक बार. So what remains is b plus c whole square, b square, c square. a plus b plus c कॉमन लिया तो a minus b minus c will be left out. यहाँ c plus a minus b will be left out, 0. a minus b minus c, 0. And a plus b minus c. So still you can apply some transformations. So इसमें हम क्या करता मैं क्या करता हूं? So what I do is row 1 minus of row 2 plus row 3. So let me apply this transformation. Row 1 minus row 2 minus row 3. That is R1 becomes R1 minus R2 minus R3. Let me see what happens if I apply this transformation. So R1 will change now. So R1 क्या हो जाएगा? b square plus c square plus 2bc minus b square minus c square है. So ये 2bc हो जाएगा. And if you subtract this from this, so what a will be cancelled out, minus b will be cancelled out. So आपको minus 2c आएगा. And ये दोनों को add करके फिर subtract किया था. Subtract this. This time c will be cancelled out, a will be cancelled out. You get minus 2b, b square c plus a minus b 0, c square 0, and a plus b minus c. So आप एक 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं. Can take a 2 common, and after that You can just try to expand this. आप expand कर लीजिए क्योंकि already a plus b plus c whole square बाहर आ गया. So you'll get abc into a plus b plus c with a 2. So just आप इसको expand कर लीजिए. Expand this and you'll get the answer as 2. Thank you.